What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're going over XCN. I hope you guys are enjoying this fire sale, I guess you can say, is a positive way to think about it. But yeah, everything's down pretty big right now. But we're going to go over the technicals on it, try to find out where the support area is at and where we might actually find some decent buying zones for XCN here. So XCN's down 0.3% at 008, $294 million market cap, 48 billion coins out of 48 billion, all-time highs 18 cents 3 years ago. I do think this coin is easily going to overtake that 18 cents high this bull run. I do think we are still in the bull run. This is just a huge bearish fake out due to, all the tariffs and everything like that. But eventually things are going to start rolling back over to the bull side, and people are going to wish that they were able to buy this fear that we're currently experiencing. So the all-time low was also a year ago. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on XCN. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into XCN here. So first thing on the indicators I want to point out is look at how many buy signals we've gotten on the WTX. Now, yes, there haven't been as low as ones previously, like back into 2022 and 2023, but nonetheless, we are pretty bunched up here on the buy signals on the WTX. Now, does that mean now's a good time to buy? That's up to you. Some things I do want to point out here is the slight uptrend support where we're currently at. So as of right now, you can currently see this was a prior support area, flipped resistance right here in December 2024, and we're currently wicking down to that general area at about 007. So that's an area where I'd be liking to keep a close eye on it. On top of that, if it did the high to the low right here, we really don't have any main fib area for this lifelong chart right here, which is kind of scary because the next main support there is 004, which from where we're currently at, it's like a 50% drop. So just be on your toes, guys. Be on your toes. The WTX does say we can go lower. You can see we've gone all the way down here to -87 before we found some sort of support. If we look at the MACD is pretty indecisive right now. Even though it's been maintaining its bullish momentum right here, green that is, we really haven't seen any heavy bullish movement from that point on. And then on top of that, we have the stock RSI, which is bullish right now. The blue is over the orange. We're starting to rally higher, but we really haven't broken out above the 80 since January 2025. So hopefully we find some sort of support here so we can start rallying a little bit higher. Now, if we look at the short-term fib from this high to this low, you can see we did break below that 618, which is very, very unfortunate. That was our saving grace right there at 1 cent. That was our 1 cent support that we did not want to break, but unfortunately it has been broken. So the only bullish thing that I can see right now for Onyxcoin, because I mean, is this right here. This is the only thing I can really see right here. That is our saving grace at about 007, because if we happen to break below 007, this thing's going all the way back down to the prior support of approximately 004, which we talked about earlier, which if I remember correctly is the 786 or 382. That's right on the 382. So we have to stay above 007. If we break below 007, this thing's coming all the way back down to the prior support of 004. So that's very unfortunate, but it is what it is. Gives people more chances to buy. I'm still bullish on XCN. I think it's going to perform exceptionally well during the bull run. It's just, buy fear, sell greed, right? So there is that option, or there is the possibility of this capitulating down here to 004, then working its way higher. But let's keep a close eye on that 007, or yeah, that 007 area, guys, because that's where we have to hold. If we don't hold that, we're going much lower for XCN. Very unfortunate, but I will keep you guys updated as it progresses. So with that, none of this is financial advice, and if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.